we're gonna be making
cheesy quesadillas.
quesadillas.
3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, today we're making quesadillas.
Quesadillas. We're making quesadillas.
Those are two very different things.
Today's recipe is from
The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. Flour tortillas, Monterey Jack cheese, and vegetable oil.
Instead of vegetable oil, we're going to be using coconut oil spread.
So we have this rotisserie chicken, and we're adding some barbecue sauce.
The barbecue sauce is optional, but we want to add a little bit to it.
Like a little spray. We're pans with coconut oil spray or olive oil.
You have your truffle there? I can't open it either.
Ready, set, and fire! Now we're going to put the stove on medium heat.
We want it on medium so that the cheese can melt and it won't burn the tortillas. So what we did is we just put the first tortilla on there.
Now add some rotisserie chicken on. Just a little more. Switchy.
Cheese.
Some Monterey Jack cheese. And after the cheese a little melted,
We're going to grab some barbecue and we're going to put some of that in there.
remember I barbecue sauce is for a little oomph. Gonna like cry right now. It's a party in the USA.
Now we're going to grab the other tortilla and we're going to put it on top.
Press down with the spatula. And
Let's teach it.
at least until the cheese is melted. Moving like you. Moving our hips like you.
So we're going to go ahead and flip.
We have our wonderful chicken quesadilla. We're going to cut it into 4 even slices using a pizza cutter. There we go. Be very careful. And you can enjoy your quesadilla with pico de gallo, guacamole, or simply some nice good old-fashioned hot sauce. Enjoy.
Hope you enjoyed our video as much as we did.
These are really good.
Yeah.
I came in like a rainbow.
Get low when the whistle go.